All right, I have my dozen eggs in my heart muffin tin. I'm gonna go in with my diced bell peppers and we are just gonna sprinkle a few into our first row of eggs. This is gonna be such an easy and beautiful breakfast. I love doing this for Valentine's Day morning, but you can make it all year round. Now for that middle row, we are gonna grab some chopped onions, diced onions, and we're gonna do the same thing, but with onions. Ooh, these onions smell amazing. Obviously, if you don't like onions, you don't have to put them in. We're making something for everyone. Okay, perfect. For this last row, I have some green onion. Oh yeah, and I am just picking some complimentary vegetables that will go with the meats that I picked out for this easy and delicious breakfast. Now for the bell peppers, I think ham goes best with it. So I have this diced ham, and these are really small chunks that we're just gonna throw in there with the egg. We wanna make sure it kind of just floats in that egg white. Ooh yeah, this is gonna be delicious, you guys. So easy and so good. Okay, let's go ahead and get all of our ham in this row and then move on to the next meat. Beautiful. All right, now I'm gonna grab some cooked sausage crumbles and we're gonna put that with the onion. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so good. Just be careful not to overfill your muffin tin. This is gonna be delicious. Okay, that looks just about right. Just make sure all that sausage is in there. Okay, now for our last row, we cannot forget my favorite breakfast meat, some bacon. And I'm just using these bacon crumbles. You could obviously make some of your own bacon and chop it up and put it in here, but these crumbles are the best ones. They're the organic crumbles and they are delicious. Okay, just right in there. We're almost done here with our easy, beautiful love breakfast. Now we're gonna season this just with a little bit of salt and pepper. Switch hands. So you can season these however you want. Last but not least, eggs would not be complete without some cheese. So for the ham and bell peppers, I am gonna do some mozzarella just like this. Woo. Remember, do not overfill your muffin tin. And I did grease my muffin tin. That's super important because we want these just to pop out. Ooh, it's looking good. Now for the sausage and onion, we are doing some Colby Jack. But like I said, these are completely customizable, so just make them how you want them. If you want all ham, do all ham. If you want all sausage, do all sausage. If you want all bacon, do all bacon. Now for that last row, we're gonna do some sharp cheddar. Yummy. And I always have shredded cheese in my house, so I had all three of these already ready. I didn't have to buy any extra cheeses, but obviously, like I said, you can do all one flavor. Perfect. Okay, this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and these are gonna cook for 40 minutes. Oh my, these are ready and they smell amazing. Okay, let's go ahead and pop these out. Should be easy since we did grease the pan. Oh my gosh, they come right out, and let's turn it over. Look how cute that little heart is. Little heart-shaped egg bites. How adorable. Who wouldn't love to wake up to these delicious breakfast egg bites on Valentine's Day? Okay, all right, last one. These are looking super, super cute. I did separate them by their flavors. Now it is time to give one a try. I'm personally gonna go for a bacon and green onion. And of course, you guys know, I gotta put my sriracha on there. I never eat eggs without it. Makes it cuter too, more Valentine's-y. All right, let's give it a try. Valentine's Day egg bites. Ooh, it's perfectly cooked. Mmm.
Is it good?
Oh my goodness. That is so good. Best breakfast ever.